guys, my name is Sweetie. Hello. And this is our doorbell. And
It is my mala in the wall.
this is the door. And then
And I am the robot boy.
this is the bed tray table for the baby. And this is the bed tray
And
table
this is my
of
my
us.
bumble.
And this is this is a chair from the helicopter. And this is from the my another baby, or another baby sister. And this is
The bed for me. And this is me.
our brush. And this is our
Kenneth, please don't touch that. It's very, very expensive. I buy it in the $100.
Of our sister.
And it is me,
And
the
this is
beautiful girl in the world.
This is the campfire for the camping. And this is a light bike. And
Let's say,
nakita na yun, Itchy. Itchy kayo. And this is the TV. Cute. And this is the shampoo for us.
and this is
And
my
this is,
boss.
the another shampoo for our sister. House. The Bobo house. Pet. And this is our pet. This is where the pet baby or something, whatever. And this is where we
And this is my girlfriend. And my Yaya Ruti.
and this is the shower. And this is the bathtub of our sister. And this is the bathtub of our sister.
And my girlfriend.
And my girlfriend. Ganyan kayo. And this is our nanny. And this is our nanny. Kenneth!
This is my daddy.
Wala mag-like dito dahil sa inyong dalawa.
TV Patrol Comedy.
Our trash can. And this is our nanny's dress. This is our trash. This is our nanny's dress.
This is my pangit mother.
And our trash can. And this is our mother's bed.
This is my dress.
And paper. This is all our food.
This is my funk.
And our pillow. This is my
I will teach you bad words. Just joking.
our blanket. And this is the computer of ours. And this is where the counter.
And this is my handsome
Little
girl.
sister, the second little sister. And this is the last sister. This is the baby sister. Pillow. And this is my pillow. And this is my bed. Boy, napakas pa na yan. Ano ka ba? And this is our couch.
And this is me, the handsome boy in the
And this is
world.
the sister's friend. And this is our doll here. Dollhouse. This is our dollhouse. See? And inside this is the room. And this is my makeup. And this is my sister makeover. And our bag. And our bags. And this is
Hello,
our
it's
trophy.
me, Jeremy. How are you?
And
I
this is
love
our,
you.
This is our
I love you, girl.
shades and shoes.
And this is me, the handsome boy, Mr. Pogi #1.
And this is
Jeremy
my
Pangaliban.
sister's dress.
And Mr. Kilabot #2. Pangit ka ba? Bakit?
Dahil pangit ako.
Dahil pangit.
And
Si boy, pick up.
And this is me. And this is my sister. Whatever the song of
Ever the
and this
ever
is my
song.
sister.
This is my brother.
That's all, folks. See you in the next video.
I love you guys. I love you guys.
Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. Bye, guys. We're gonna sing a song.
To find a friend like you. is always blue. The way you talk, the things you say, the way you make it all okay, and how you know all of my jokes, but you love everything. If I could wish for one thing, I get the smile that you bring. Wherever you go in this world, I come along.
Wherever I
Dream that same dream, there's nothing but you're here for me. Wow, wow, wow. Two voices, one song.
wish
For one thing, and it's a smile that you bring. Wherever you go in this world, I come along. Dream that say dream, there's nothing for you, you're here for me. Oh, 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 oh. Two voices, one song. When you fall,
I listen for the sound. I listen for the sound. If I could
wish for one thing, I can love that you bring. Wherever you go in this world, you come along.